In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro for brainstorming. By the end, you'll know how to create a space for ideas, set up a clear structure, and start adding thoughts quickly so your session feels organized and productive. We'll begin by creating a board. Open Miro and start a new board, or choose an existing one if you already have a space you've been using. Give the board a clear descriptive title so everyone knows the purpose at a glance. Before you dive in, zoom out a bit to create some visual breathing room. This makes it easier to see the big picture and avoids crowding as ideas start to flow. If you prefer a clean look, keep the default background. If a grid helps you align content, toggle it on. Think of this board as your digital whiteboard. You want it ready for fast capture and easy navigation. Next, set up a structure so ideas land where they belong. Use frames to organize topics, categories, or areas where ideas will go. Frames are like containers that keep related thoughts together. Add a frame for each theme you plan to explore, label it with a short heading, and space them evenly so nothing overlaps. Color coding your frame titles can help you scan quickly. If you want a head start, open the template library and try options like brainstorming, mind map, or idea boards. Templates give you a pre-built layout and you can rename sections, delete what you don't need, and expand or shrink parts as your session evolves. The goal here is structure without friction, just enough guidance so people know where to put things, but flexible enough to adapt as ideas grow. Finally, start adding ideas. The fastest way is with sticky notes. Double-click on the board or use the sticky note tool, then type one idea per note to keep everything crisp and scannable. Keep each note short like a headline and place it inside the relevant frame you created. If multiple people are contributing, consider using different colors for different contributors or themes so patterns stand out later. You can also add quick text boxes for longer context, drop in images or links if a reference helps, and use simple arrows or connectors to show relationships between ideas. Don't worry about perfect wording, capture the thought first, refine later. As ideas appear, lightly nudge them into the right frame so the board stays tidy and easy to review. That's it. Create your board, set up a structure with frames or a template, and add ideas clearly and consistently. You're ready to brainstorm in Miro with confidence.